Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ideogram, generate AI text to image design step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type the URL for Ideogram and hit enter. Once the Ideogram homepage loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Review your information to ensure it is correct. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. After verifying everything, if you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. From here, you can begin generating AI text to image designs. Select the appropriate options for your project. Customize your text inputs and settings as needed. After finalizing your choices, click on the Generate button to create your design. Wait a moment while the system processes your request. Once generated, review your AI image design. If satisfied, you can download or share your creation as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.